Tesla Twitter blogger Sawyer Merritt today has shared a rare video of Pepsi Tesla Semi delivering Pepsi products on what appears to be a California highway, friends. The video quickly went viral with many people commenting on the sight of the electric truck. In this video, the Pepsi Tesla Semi can be seen driving down a highway with a trailer full of Pepsi products, I assumed, or it may be returning, maybe empty, I don't know. The truck is painted white with the Pepsi logo on the side. The video shows the truck driving past other cars and trucks on the highway. Merritt's tweet has been liked over 4,000 times and retweeted over 300 times. This is going viral. Many people have commented on the video expressing their excitement about seeing the Pepsi Tesla Semi. One user commented, "This is so cool. I can't wait to see more of these trucks on the road." Another user said, "This is a big step for Tesla and Ford, and actually this is a big step for Tesla and for the future of transportation." The Pepsi Tesla Semi is part of a fleet of 100 Tesla Semi that PepsiCo ordered in 2017. The trucks are expected to be used for local and long distance deliveries. PepsiCo is not the only company that has ordered Tesla Semi. Other companies that have placed orders for the trucks include Walmart, FedEx, and J.B. Hunt. The Tesla Semi is an all-electric truck that has a range of up to 500 miles on a single charge. The truck can tow up to 80,000 pounds and has a top speed of 60 miles per hour, from what I understand. Now, the Tesla Semi is expected to start shipping more customers in 2023. Here are some of the important comments that people have made about this video at the Pepsi Tesla Semi. "This is a big step," says one person, "for Tesla and for the future of transportation." Another one said, "I can't wait to see more of these trucks on the road. This is so cool. I'm excited to see how these trucks perform." Yet another person comments saying, "I'm glad to see the PepsiCo is committed to sustainability." And another person says, "This is a great way of reducing emissions and improve air quality." What I comment is this: what will happen to our jobs if all of these trucks and robots take over? What do you think? Do you have any comments on that? Anyway, the comments on the video show that people are excited about the future of electric transportation. The Pepsi Tesla Semi is a sign that future of transportation is, I think, going to be electric, and I would say solar electric, and it is a welcome step toward a more sustainable future. Let me know your thoughts, friends. What do you think about this video? Look how quiet is the Pepsi Tesla Semi when this huge truck is making a U-turn. A Twitter user shared a short video this morning of a Pepsi Tesla Semi truck making a U-turn. Let's take a look at that.
That's sight, bro.
The video was taken in an unspecified location, but it is believed to be in California. The video shows the truck making a smooth and quiet U-turn, which is impressive considering its size and weight. The Pepsi Tesla Semi is one of the first electric semi-trucks, friends, to be put into commercial use. Pepsi has been testing the truck for several months, and it is now being used to deliver products in California. The truck is powered by a battery pack that can provide up to 300 miles of range on a single charge. The Pepsi Tesla Semi is a significant step forward for the electric vehicle industry. It is the first large-scale electric truck to be put into commercial use, and it could help to pave the way for other companies to adopt electric trucks. Pepsi has been testing the Tesla Semi truck for several months, and it is now being used to deliver products in California. The truck is powered, like I said, by battery pack that can give you 300 miles. Pepsi has said that it is pleased with the performance of the Tesla Semi truck. The truck has been able to meet all of Pepsi's delivery needs locally, and it has been able to do so in a more environmentally friendly way. Pepsi is planning to add more Tesla Semi trucks to its fleet in the future. The company believes that the Tesla Semi truck is a key part of its strategy to reduce its environmental impact. Now, what is the future of electric semi-trucks? The Pepsi Tesla Semi is a significant step forward for the electric vehicle industry. It is the first large-scale electric truck to be put into commercial use, and it could help to pave the way for other companies to adopt more electric trucks. The electric semi-truck market is still in its early stages, but it is growing rapidly. Several other companies, including Daimler, Volvo, and Nikola, are developing electric semi-trucks, although I don't know where Nikola stands with what happened in recently. As the electric semi-truck market continues to grow, it is likely that we will see more and more companies adopting electric trucks. This is good news for the environment, for the fresh air that we breathe in our cities, as electric trucks produce zero emissions. So what do you think about this? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. We already see some breaking images of Tesla Cybertruck's front castings, which means that Cybertruck production is getting really closer than ever. Welcome back, dear friends. This is Armin Harayan from TorqueNews.com. If you are here first time, please subscribe to this channel for daily Tesla news and ring the bell so you don't miss my next coverage. Tesla Cybertruck front castings have been spotted at Giga Texas, showing just how close production of the Cybertruck is for the highly anticipated electric truck from Tesla. The wait for the Tesla Cybertruck has been long and sometimes annoying, but now the truck's arrival is just around the corner. As revealed earlier this quarter, the Cybertruck is set for a public launch event in Q3 of this year, and ahead of this event, Tesla has already begun pilot production of the Cybertruck. Today, front castings for the truck have been spotted at Tesla Giga Texas, showing just how close mass production of Tesla's truck is. The Cybertruck front castings were first spotted by our friend Joe Techmeyer, who subsequently published the images on Twitter. The images were quickly confirmed to be Cybertruck pieces thanks to a careful investigation by supporters of Cybertrucks on the Cybertruck forum. Now, upon initial inspection, the front castings appear similar to those used on the Tesla Model Y, but with a much larger and more angular structure. They are unmistakably Cybertruck components. Moreover, the conspicuous C labeling of each of them hints at their use of the Cybertruck. Now, besides hinting at Cybertruck production, the appearance of front castings is particularly great news because it indicates Tesla may have began production using its well-known GigaPress, which it has recently received at Giga Texas facility. By production, I meant production of the Cybertrucks, maybe the test production. More hints at looming production of the Cybertruck have been seen in recent weeks as well. Besides the flood of spottings in California, especially on the Tesla test truck, the Cybertruck has also been seen on public roads in Texas. Further, Tesla and its CEO Elon Musk have begun to broaden the Cybertruck's public appearances, making it the star of the show at the automaker's lithium refinery unveiling and its Investor Day event earlier this year. So don't be surprised if you see more Cybertrucks sightings around the country in the next coming weeks or months. Let me know what you think about this post. Are you excited that Cybertruck casting is already a reality? This is Armin Harayan from TorqueNews.com. See you soon in our next report.